Hello, my name is Bob Willis, and welcome to the MPL Defect Database, or Defect of the Month, as I choose to call it. Now, every month we look at different defects taken from our MPL Defect Database and hopefully provide engineers with a reference source, hopefully to solve some of their process problems. Now, it's a very long time since I've seen chip components jumping. Now again, we used to see this in vapor phase reflow soldering, where you've got a lot of volatile material in the solder paste causing the part to literally jump off of the board. Jelly bean soldering, sometimes people used to call it. However, when you're looking at high temperature materials, the solvent system and the fluxing materials used are slightly different. They're developed for a high temperature process. So you may well find that if you start to use high temperature solder paste alloys and obviously the associated fluxing materials included in them with small passive components, you might actually get the components jumping on the printed circuit board. So you have to understand there are differences, work with your supplier, and also follow guidelines in terms of temperature profiling. Again, if we're looking at vapor phase as a process, then again, we need to make sure that we are getting heat into the product prior to going to the elevated temperature, and that normally requires preheat, which can be controlled very, very tightly and very nicely by most vapor phase systems on the market today.